if cos A minus B is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin A plus B is equal to root 3 by 2, find A and B where A plus B and A minus B are acute angles. Given A minus B is equal to root 3 by 2, cos A minus B is equal to cos 30 degrees. A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. Equation 1. Sin A plus B is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin A plus B is equal to sin 60 degrees. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. Equation 2. Add 2 plus 1. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. B cancel. A plus A, 2A is equal to 90 degrees. A is equal to 90 by 2, that is 45 degrees. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. 45 plus B is equal to 60 degrees. B is equal to 60 degrees minus 45 degrees. B is equal to 15 degrees. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. A minus B is equal to 45 minus 15, that is 30 degrees, or acute angles, that is less than 90 degrees.